Ready to turn your new house into a showstopper? Discover how handcrafted rugs can make your home truly one of a kind. Because your space deserves more than just furniture, it deserves character. Furnishing your new property is an exciting journey, and the key to making your space stand out is choosing unique, handcrafted details. Handmade rugs are the perfect focal point that can transform any room from ordinary to extraordinary. Unlike mass-produced pieces, each rug tells a story through its craftsmanship, colors, and patterns, giving your home a personal touch that is truly original. In this video, we explore the artistry behind handmade rugs, showcase stunning design ideas, and share tips on selecting the perfect piece to complement your decor. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant patterns or subtle, elegant textures, a handcrafted rug can tie your entire space together while showcasing your unique style. Elevate your home's ambiance and make a lasting impression with a focal point that's as special as you are. Don't settle for generic when you can have artisan-made art underfoot. Your perfect home begins with a piece that speaks to your individuality. We have the largest selection of unique handcrafted rugs online with over 30,000 to choose from. Click the link in the description below and tune in for inspiring ideas and practical advice on incorporating these beautiful, timeless pieces into your design. Imagine walking into your living room and seeing the awe on your guests' faces as they admire your stunning, one-of-a-kind handcrafted rug. A piece so rich in texture, color, and story, it instantly becomes the centerpiece of your home. This isn't just a rug, it's a conversation starter, a work of art, and a reflection of your unique style. While others settle for mass-produced decor, you'll stand apart with something truly rare, crafted by skilled artisans and impossible to replicate. Be prepared. Compliments and a little envy are guaranteed. Ready to elevate your living space?